Okay, so it says that Mrs. Peabody has 35 books on a cart to take to classroom. So here's my 35. 3 tens and 5 ones. So let's draw that here. 3 tens, 5 ones. 3 tens, 5 ones. Write that on there. Now, there's a different way that we can do 35. There's a different way. What could I do here to change it and still show 35? Emsley? What's another way that I can show 35 instead of 3 tens and 5 ones? You forgot? Grant. Well, we could do expanded form, but I'm talking about showing our blocks. Cooper. Right. I could take away a French fry or a 10 and then put 10 tater tots or ones over here. So let's do that. Let's take away a 10. Now you're not adding to make 10. You got to do a whole nother 10. You're not doing 5, 6. You got to do 10 more. I'm not done yet. Okay, so here's my 10. So I took away a 10 and I put 10 ones. And that shows another way. You need to be doing this, everybody. You need to be doing 10 more ones on there. So you still have your 5 ones, but now you're doing another 10 ones. You need to spread them out, Grant, not pile them up. Everyone needs to have 2 tens, 5 ones, and 10 ones. Now, does this still show 35? Yes. I'm going to give us a little bit longer to finish this, and we're going to count and make sure it still shows 35. All right, let's count. Here we go. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do we still have 35 books? Yes. Let's write this different way to show 35 on the bottom here. We did 2 tens, and then we did the 5, and then we did another 10. We had 15 ones. So there's my drawing of what it looks like. Boys and girls, you need to keep up. I've already drawn it. You need to be drawing it too. Kinsler, you need to keep up. So, how many tens do I have now? Grant? 2. And how many ones do I have now, Gracie? No. Heather? 15. I have my 10, and then I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 2 tens and 15 ones is a different way to show 35. It's a different way to show 35. Okay, so we did this already with Mrs. Shoemaker. We did it with the tens and ones. Today we're going to show different ways how to do 3-digit numbers. Okay? Different ways to do 3-digit numbers. So let's turn to the next page. So here's two ways to show 148. Two ways to show 148. Okay, so up here we have a 3-digit number. How many hundreds do we have? How many hundreds do we have? 1. How many tens do I have? 4. And how many ones do I have? How many? 9. I hear 8, 7, and 9. Lily, how much do you have? 8. 148. So let's write the expanded form. Remember, 100 means it's worth 100. 4 tens means it's worth 40. And 8 ones mean it's worth 8. 100 plus 40 plus 8. We know this. You guys are good at doing this. Now, they showed us a different way. They took this 100 and took it away and added 10 ones. Do you see that? See that 100 out of 10 ones? That's 100 there. But now we do not have any hundreds. We just have French fries, so we have 0 hundreds. How many tens do we have here? How many tens? No, we do not have 4. How many tens do we have here, Xavier? 14 tens. And how many ones do we have? Heather? 8. So now, what is the value of my hundreds that you see? 0. What is the value of my tens that you see? 14. No, not 14. Cooper? 41. No, not 41. Chase? Huh? 40. No. 48. No. 14. No, I have 14 tens. Let's count by tens. Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. You guys need it, instead of blurting the answer out, need to count with me. And my ones stayed the same, so there's still 8. So these are two ways to show 148. I can do it with hundreds, tens, and ones, or I can break apart the 100 and do just tens and ones. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the normal way, and then we're going to break up the hundreds into tens. So we're going to do that a lot with several of them. You could also, when you have multiple hundreds, keep one of the hundreds, which is what we're about to do here in a second. Okay, so I have the number 213. They've already showed me 213. How many hundreds do I have, Alyssa? How many hundreds do I have here? I know you didn't. How many hundreds did you have? 2 of them. 2. 2 hundreds. How many tens do I have, Corbin? 1. How many ones do I have, Isaiah? 3. So now I'm going to write my expanded form. What is the value of my 2 here, Sydney? What do I write here? Help her out, Grant. 200. What is my value of my tens, Emma? What number do I write here when I expand it out? 10. And what is the value of my 1, Xavier? 3. 200 plus 10 plus 3. Let's do this on our thing here. 200, 10, and 13. Okay, right, do this on your board. 213. 213. Okay, everybody should have this on their board. Let's do it quickly. 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. Mr. Kinsler, I need you to do this. 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. Okay, now I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to change out 100 for tens. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 100 away. Everyone take 100 away. And now I want you to add 10 tens. So now I'm going to keep the 1. That one stays there, and I got to add 10 more. So take away 100. Everybody, did you take away 100? Kinsler, take away 100. And now we're going to put 10 tens for that 100. So now I got lots of French fries here on my board. I kept my 1 and I added 10 more and got rid of one of my hundreds. So this is another way to show 213. So how many hundreds do I have now? How many hundreds do I have now, Corbin? 1. How many tens do I have now, Cooper? Huh? How many? Not ones, tens. I have 10 and 1 more. So how many is that? 11. And how many ones do I have, Wyatt? I still have my 3. So let's draw what this looks like. We had 1 100. Oh my goodness, I have to make lots of French fries here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then my 3 ones. That is a lot. Everyone should be following along with us. Okay, now what would my expanded form be? What is the value of my 1 100? What is the value of my 100, Lily? What am I going to write here? Am I going to write a 1 here? No, it's not just a 1. It's a 1 what? What is the value here? What space is this in? The hundreds, tens, or ones? What place is this in? 100. So it's 100. 100 is my value. Okay? Now, counting by tens, if I had 11 tens, what would that be, Kate? Yes. 110. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you need to go up here and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. All you got to do is count by tens. We all know how to count by tens. We learned that already. Okay, and then my ones is always the value. 3 ones. Okay, so now going to 2. I want you to write the hundreds, tens, and ones and do the expanded form for 132. And I want you to show me 132 on your paper. I want you to do 132 in the hundreds, tens, and ones, and then write the expanded form, and then show me 132 on your mat. Because we're going to find a different way to do 132 here in a minute.